Hey my crafty friends, thanks for joining me and welcome to Anju's Craft Obsessions. Today I'm heading to Hobby Lobby because I'm starting a new DIY project which is stained glass art, stained glass peonies to be specific. For that I picked up this plexiglass that is 36 inches by 24 inches long. I cut it to the size of 24 inches by 17 inches and laid it on the picture of peonies. I'm using this dimensional tulip fabric paint for outlining my picture. I already had this at home because I used it in another stained glass project. If you want to check that one out, please click on the link in the top right side corner on the screen. In the beginning, before I started, I was supposed to attach the picture to the plexiglass so it wouldn't move around, but I forgot. Now that I remembered, I did just that and everything is okay. After the outline paint dried, I took the picture off from underneath of plexiglass. Now I am making glass paints using white glue and clear glue. I mixed green food color with clear glue and white glue. Mixed green acrylic paint with clear glue and white glue. Now you can see I have 4 shades of green. You can paint how we paint usually with the paintbrush, but these paints are quite thin and I wanted them to look dense, so I took blob of paint on the brush and released it on the surface. For your convenience, I have given kind of glue and a color combination I have used in the titles on the screen. White glue makes opaque colors and clear glue makes transparent colors. If you are first timer, please subscribe to my channel and also please like and comment on my video. I will really appreciate it. I wanted to do shading, which is hard with glass paints, so I used all shades of green that I had and painted the leaf as shown. Off camera, I have tried shading other leaves as well. For the flowers, I wanted opaque or dense colors, so I used white glue and acrylic colors only. I had magenta only in tubes. That means you can also use tube paints with glue to make glass paints. I tried shading for flowers with normal brush strokes, but it didn't work, so I mixed the colors on the surface directly. Here I used yellow acrylic paints with white glue. For this part I have used only clear glue with acrylic paints and blue food color, and for your convenience I have provided the combinations in the titles on the screen. I painted foam board strips with gold and made a frame around the picture when the paint dried. And here's completed picture. You can use it as stained glass art. You can also use it as wall art. I hope you liked today's idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.